want to emerge from the shadows into the sunlight, into the warmth of the American institutions and the nation. And over the days of our visit, we will of course raise with Congress and with President Trump himself that the necessary work will be done for our undocumented to be allowed to come in from the cold, feel the warmth of this great country, and relieve the burden of having to live in that limbo land. Ireland and the United States have a very long and very special relationship, one that actually goes deeper and wider than the politician who brings the shamrock to Washington. In fact, in many ways, the Irish-American relationship is so much deeper than that, because it's one of hope and history, affection, trust, family and friendship. We nations, as they say in the Gaelic tongue, in the Irish language, are fitse fulce, means intertwined with each other. Try and say it. Fitse fulce. Strongly interlinked, not only by our travel, our business of the economy, but more crucially, in the territory of the heart, the soul and the imagination of our peoples. Just launched the Creative Ireland chapter today, which marries the science, technology, engineering and mathematics with artistic, creative and imaginative endeavour. Because when Irish men and Irish women fled our shores because of occupation, or oppression, or famine, America opened its doors to them and to us. We were those tired, those poor, and those huddled masses. Lady Liberty opened up her golden door, and the Irish opened up their skills and their diligence, their talents and their hearts to the United States.